FlowHow, sales of Moldex3D and consultancy, specialists in injection molding simulations.
Hello, Mads Jespersen from FlowHow. I want to show you in Moldex3D release 15 a new feature in the post-processing where we have a thickness distribution plot. If we have a part like this, sometimes it would be nice. Of course, we can cut it through with a slicing or a clipping function. To have a look inverse. To have a look at the maybe temperature would be a bit more interesting. Have a look at the temperatures, but if I want some precise results during the wall thickness at a specific position, I now have the possibilities to get that. So let's say I would like a plot through the thickness at this point. Then I use this select tool up here. Click here, and then I notice this node number. 600, and the next one I can take here, 8164, 8164, and then it's possible now go up to the XY curve here, distribution curve, thickness, and you can then say my memory is obviously bad, so 8366, and I can plot, and then I get a plot of the temperature through the thickness at that point, and I can change it for shear rate and pressure and whatever I want of the results that's actually available here. Temperature, close. But I also have the possibilities of making multiple curves. So if I had this one, I can then add an input and say, okay, what was the other one? Control C, Control V, add. Then I have two node IDs, and I want temperature, and then I can use plots on this, and then I get in same sheet the same or the two curves, and then it's possible to change this close, and then shear stress or shear rate, and then I have to say reset to, then I change down here, and then I can plot again. So that's how this new feature works. Of course, it takes only the results at the specific time. If you want, it's not time dependent, it's thickness dependent. If you want a result at a different time, you have to define it from a different time step, like this, and then you can run it again with this thickness distribution. Of course, you cannot use the nodes that's not hit. Okay, that was all I want to show in this video. Have a nice day, and